Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you how to make a paper boat. Let's get started. Alright, so you take a paper like this, A4, printer size, whatever you want to call it, and you fold it in half. Like this. You turn it around, fold it in half again. And you open it up. See this crease in the middle? So you take this corner and fold it into the middle to make this little triangle on the right side. Take the other side, do the same thing. Alright, so then you take this bottom section, only one side, right? Then you fold it up. Then you take these little things, fold them to the other side. Make little triangles. Then you turn it around, take this bottom section, and then you fold it over. And you do the same thing. Make little triangles. You open your previous fold, put the little triangles in, and fold it over again. Like that. Alright, so you take this bottom section, and the top section. You pull on them. Like that. Alright, so then from here, you take the bottom, and you fold it almost to the top, but not quite there. And you do that on both sides. Like that. Alright, so you do the same thing like you did before. You turn it around. So you take these little things on the sides. I don't know what else to call them, but they look like wings. So you open them. And then it doesn't always go right, but you can always turn it into a boat. Form it. Take out any of the other kinks you see. Alright, so then you put it down. You fold it in. Alright, so you open it. And you open up the bottom slightly. Like that. Now you got a boat. Take a look at some of my other videos on Aviation Corner. And see ya.